to the Greenmoxie farm. We're happy you're here and we can't wait to share our recipe with you today, which is peach cobbler. We love peach cobbler. It's a really good recipe. And you can make this at home on the barbecue, if you're out camping or in the woods. And I just make it in the oven sometimes because it's that good. Obviously fresh peaches are better, and I do use fresh peaches when I'm at home, but getting fresh peaches intact into the woods is not a realistic expectation. So the recipe we're going to use today is going to have canned peaches in it. But let's do this. Thank you so much for joining us. We love having you here and we love sharing our recipes with you. All of these great recipes and so many more come from our wonderful cookbook, Food on Fire, which is available on Amazon if you follow the link down here. Thanks so much. Bye.